This is Robin with Homeschool Planet. I'm planning to show you today how to print an attendance record of your students' attendance. This video assumes that you've already set up and enabled attendance recording and you just want to know how to get to that report showing when your child has and has not been present in school. To print a record, you'll simply go to your student's name, select their name, and then choose the option to edit profile. You'll go down to the attendance tab and you'll see a record of attendance, what days they have been present or absent. If they've been absent, that day will look like a red X as opposed to a green check mark. You can easily make any changes right on the screen, and when it looks just like you would like, you'll select the option Print. You'll then give your browser permission to send this to your printer dialog, and you'll go to your report. Your own printer software will then help you to determine whether you'd like it in black and white or single-sided or color or whatever sets you prefer. And you will select the print button, and then your attendance record will be printed. Please let us know if you have any questions. We love helping our customers here at Homeschool Planet. Have a great day.